setting up on Coti. Yeah, this looks absolutely gorgeous. These are the type of moves that you want definitely for leverage trading. This is either going to make a pretty decent move to the upside or pretty decent move to the downside, right? We take the width of the wedge, you put it on the breakout, right? Say if it's over here, you know, but you're looking at potentially, right? What is this, about a 20% move? 18, 20%, either to the upside or to the downside. All right, let's try to figure out which way this thing could be headed. All right, and if you want to get alerts like this, I just put this out in Discord. We leverage trade over there. If you want to join up, it's a level 3 membership. It's only $15 a month, man. And right now, with Bitcoin dominance about to break, this is the time to make money in crypto. These are when the big moves are happening. All right, if you come out on a daily on this thing, and you want to catch these big pushes, right? That's where the money's at, especially with leverage trading. If you don't know nothing about it, then don't mess around with it, and go learn. That level 3 membership I have, we do have a few videos in there on leverage trading, how to set it up, how to place a trade, all that, but don't mess around with it, okay? You can get liquidated very quickly and lose your money. You know, my best advice, and it's not financial advice at all right, is like when I first started out leverage trading, I would take very low leverage, 3x, 4x, something like that, you know, to get the hang of it. And but the level 3 membership, you get over 10 hours of videos to teach how to start drawing trend lines, use the Fibonacci, how to set up your trading view, everything, man. I put over 20 videos in there and a link to the Discord. So if you want, check it out. But right now is the time. I'm telling you, with Bitcoin dominance about to roll over, and it's coming. All right, let me show you this real quick. Turbo. The turbos, we're going to make a really nice move here pretty soon. Look at this falling wedge on this thing. Let me pull it up here a second. I don't know what's going on here with my darn internet lately. It's been driving me absolutely insane. Usually it's fast as could be. We had a flood, and I don't know if it messed up my internet connection or what here, but let's check this out. Let's try the 4-hour. There we go. Alright, you can see the falling wedge forming on this thing. Look at the size of this falling wedge. Yeah, this is on turbo. Look at that. That's a big move, you know. Definitely. Falling wedges are bullish, you know 8 out of 10 times they break to the upside, which that's what you want to definitely see with this thing. But it could be a huge move for this. You know, if you're leverage trading it, and you know, say you do a, I don't know, 10x on this, right? That was the move I was talking about. 17% shakeout. Just a coincidence that there was a bit of a scare on the same day of the Sabres point of the cycle 4 years later. Yeah, he's a good trader in there. We got some really good traders over there, guys, in the Discord. Really good. Look at this move. Potentially close to a 40% move. On a 10x, you would 4 extra money. On a 20x, 8 extra money. Potentially, right? I mean, nothing's a guarantee, but definitely falling wedges are. If I could trade falling wedges and only falling wedges, you know, 80% win rate. That's not too bad, right? I mean, yeah. Take your shot on these 8 out of 10 times, they break up, alright? That's not saying it can't break down, because it definitely could. This thing came up to a 618 right here, right where my cross is at. That's a 618 Fibonacci and got rejected off of it. It could absolutely A, B, C to the downside. You know, you just got to keep an eye on these things. The RSI looks really good though. The 12 hours at the bottom heading to the upside. So turbo looking pretty decent. Anyway, it's going to show you Bitcoin dominance here, and then we're going to look at that Coti chart. I get talking, and it's like, here we go. Bitcoin dominance 58.5. All right, I've talked about this for months, probably a year anyway on my channel. When I first opened my channel, you look at the RSI down here on the bottom, right? This is on a monthly. Look at it. It's a 86 and a 95. Finally rolling over, right? It's been up here since March of 2023. All right, we're in November of 2024, so it's been up here a very, very long time. That's starting to roll over. That's what you want to see. I talked about this 618 Fibonacci level see, it's way down here. I said when we get up here and this gets rejected and breaks support, that is when our true alt season is going to start. We come up to the 618 Fib right here, and we get a big fat red candle, monthly candle, the biggest red candle we've had since, way over here last summer, June of 2022, all right, a couple of years ago. That's been the last time we've had a red candle that big. It came up, got rejected. It's going to break this support right here, and it's going to roll down into the 20s, right down here towards 28.5 to 25% Bitcoin dominance. Believe it or not, watch and see. It's going to happen, yeah. So keep an eye on Bitcoin dominance. That's when these tokens are really going to take off. The total 3 is barely broke out compared to the total market cap and the total 2 with ETH in it. Look at this. Might as well show it to you instead of just telling you, right? Here's the total market cap. Set a new all-time high. All right, took out this high from 2021 right here, and now we have a new all-time high. That's with Bitcoin, okay? Here is without Bitcoin, but Ethereum is still in there, all right? We're at the 702, just getting towards the breakout. We should be heading up there. Here's the total 3 without Bitcoin and without Ethereum. All right, has not set a new all-time high, right at the 702. $1.5 trillion is where this potentially is heading. Right, looks like a wave 1, 2, working on a third wave to the upside. So things are looking very, very good for the crypto market. Going to be a lot of money made out there. Trading, spot trading and leverage trading, both. All right, now the question is this a wave 4 pullback? If it is, has it gone deep enough? All right, or is this going to break to the downside and pull down? Now, if we take a look here, this looks like a potential, should be a 50%. All right, that's not. That came down to a 618. It ran up 618, and over here, yeah, see, this is a little bit of a tough one here, right? Normally wave 2s are 50%. So let's take a look. Let's go off this low. 382 is what you normally get for a wave 4 retracement. It's done it just barely. Yeah, it could easily. This could break to the upside. Let's look at the RSIs, right? See what kind of where it's relative strength. The 12 hour is coming down. All right, it's bearish. The 8 hour, same story, coming down. 4. The 4 is at the bottom and heading up, okay? Definitely heading to the upside. Your daily is bearish. Your weekly is still bullish, and your monthly looks absolutely fantastic. All right, overall, yeah, you're just gonna have to watch this. I have alarms set on this. I personally think it's probably breaking to the upside. Let me show you here. Let's get that off there. All right, you can see it doesn't look like anything now, does it? One reason I think that, it's got to get the retracement levels up here, right? This on the monthly. It's got to get up here, 618, 702 up into this zone to figure out if it's going to go higher or not, right? That's your retracement areas. Let's go back to a weekly. Maybe, huh? Please hit that like and subscribe, guys. I appreciate that very, very much. I usually forget to ask that, but here we are back on the daily, and you can see that won't even get us up there to the 618 or 702. So you could have a first set here of 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe it'll get up there. We'll have to keep an eye on it, but watch this wedge. This is setting up for a decent trade, all right? I have an alarm set on both of them trend lines. If it breaks down, I'll take the short. If it breaks up, I'll take the long. Almost like a bull flag though too, with a pull right here. You got a flag and a pull, so it could, potentially, or you could just call it a regular wedge. But usually, I think this thing's going to break to the upside. If it would break down, let's take a measurement. We can figure out a lot by just taking a measurement. If it would break down, it would pull it just about right on top of wave 1. Let's see, how deep would that put the correction? Not too bad, right by 702, I mean, I can't say that's a bad bad pullback at all. Now if it broke to the upside, let's check out where's the 1618? Close, right? I mean, yeah, this could potentially go either way. We got a mixed bag with the RSI. We got some like the 8 hour bearish. The 4 hour has started right at the bottom. You're just gonna have to watch for a break here. The 1 hour still heading up, and I would definitely. This is a good trade in here, though. You get a break and a closing candle in the 1 hour outside of either of these areas. I would definitely take the trade. So, financial advice. All right, you do what you do. I do what I do. But right here, you had a fake out. You had a tiny break of it there, red, and big bullish green engulfing candle sucked it right back up in there. Yeah, just violated the line just barely. That's how they get traders. You'll be like, oh boy, here we go. There's a nice red candle, it's breaking the line, I'm going short, and then you get a big, sucks it right up, takes all them trades out, and runs to the upside, and it's like in a range here, and it's getting tighter, alright, so it's eventually going to break here pretty soon. This on a 1 hour chart, you come out in a 4, you can't fit too many more 4 hour candles in here, right? Or how about on a 12? Now look at that. I mean, it's getting tight, alright? So it's going to break soon. You definitely keep an eye on this thing. You get a retracement off of here. Let's get a measurement on this thing. Came down here to a 786. Actually hit the bottom down here, but the closing candles. You could be making your way up out of here. We'll see, right? Just keep an eye on Coti. Very nice leverage trade setting up here if you leverage trade. Have a great day, guys. Please check out that level 3 membership and check out the site I use in the description for leverage trading, Bitunix. Click on it. It's free to sign up. It don't cost you anything. No VPN, no KYC, nothing like that. Go over, check it out. I use it all the time. We have a bunch of people from Discord in there. Pretty decent site, no big wicks and no crazy wicks getting you, so I like it. Have a great day. Thanks a lot for watching the video. I'll talk to you soon.